Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. It is Saturday, beautiful Saturday in April, and I am on my way to the office because we are super stoked about our new franchise that we awarded in Smyrna, Georgia. And I was going to tell you a little bit about that, so stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, we've got Tracy, Lucy, and Alex Woolery. They are a mom, dad, and son team in the Atlanta metropolitan area, and we awarded them our franchise opportunity last week. And this Monday, they are going to get started on Crawl Space Ninja Boot Camp to learn the Crawl Space Ninja system. And honestly, I decided to make this video while I was driving because, man, I tell you, I'm emotional. I'm so emotional about this, and I was hoping, me being a little distracted by driving, I wouldn't tear up and all that kind of stuff. But what a humbling experience it is to have someone who is willing to partner with us and to take care of our customers down in the Atlanta area. We have had so many requests for people for our services down there, and we are just super humbled and thankful that we found someone to partner with us. We still have quite a few territories available in the Atlanta area. We've also got Nashville that is ramping up, and Charlotte that'll be ramping up soon. Even a gentleman from Houston, Texas has contacted us about franchise opportunity, and he'll be out next week. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you my thoughts on this. Our mission is just amazing how people have started picking up on that. And you know, we're not the cheapest contractor when it comes to doing crawl spaces. We have a motto: we do it right or not at all. And Tracy and Lucy and Alex get that. They came out a few weeks ago, and we got some video to show you of that here in the next few weeks. But if you're looking for an opportunity to help people, and you live in an area where there's a lot of crawl spaces, we hope you'll check out our franchise opportunity. But one of the things I wanted to share was our mission. I mean, you know, we do it right or we don't do it. And there's a lot of fly-by-night companies out there. We call them plastic jockeys. Basically, they just go in and they throw up plastic on the walls. Even if they put it on the walls, a lot of people just put it on they just put it down and don't tape it and overlap it and all that kind of stuff. And we do have some packages that we offer. We call them economy packages, where we offer them, but we don't recommend them, simply because we know we're going up against competitors that are doing that, and we want to show our price if that's the way we did it. And 9 times out of 10, our customers get it, and they choose to go with the Crawl Space Ninja package. That is the full encapsulation, not some, you know, just throwing down a vapor barrier. But why spend all that money to fix your crawl space, except to fix the indoor air quality problem? And a lot of contractors in the crawl space encapsulation space don't get that. I mean, you're never going to go down in the crawl space. It's not like you hang out down there, but everything that happens in the crawl space affects the living space. So if you're going to hire a company to fix your crawl space, you've got to make sure that you hire somebody that's reputable, and their philosophy is indoor air quality first. I mean, why spend that money, thousands of dollars, to fix a crawl space if you're not going to fix the air quality issue? And if you check out the link below, you'll see a $25,000 crawl space redo that we had to redo because it was a real estate transaction, and the sellers paid $25,000 to fix a crawl space, and they never addressed the mold in the crawl space. They just totally messed it up. Why spend $3,000, much less $25,000, to fix your crawl space if you're not going to fix it right and address the indoor air quality problem that your crawl space is probably creating? So anyway, just wanted to share that with you all. I'm almost to the office, and look for Tracy and Alex and Lucy down in the Smyrna, Georgia area. They got quite a large territory down there. And we're just so excited and humbled, Tracy and Lucy and Alex, that you joined the Crawl Space Ninja team. And my name's Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.